imali ukuthi ufike TV awubhadali next lento uyenza mangobe uzimisele ngizamile bekunzima nokuthi ngifihlela abangani bami trust me so but into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi to youth or ama young adults abafethiyana I can't be the only one of the quick run ayisifuna iwinner hayi umuntu ofike ku4th week and trust me kunento ebengiloko ngiyisho izovela there's a saying ethi a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step mina uhambo lwami bengigcoka isicathulo esi1 throughout iPiplana yonke so ungangitshela ukuthi awuna impahla unani go there show them personality lento iyenzeka and akupheli la uningi ngizokubona iziningi izinto ezoyenzeka so this is a win for all of us malahleni umphakathi already yabo manje nithi ngibonge isupport engexpect lo mina bengithi nyofika ngibaleke nyobona ubaby girl wami bese kusasa khani ngivela
Puma, this is only the beginning of your future. People are going to recognize you. I know you are in entertainment. I know Diamond Cafe is already also being in contact with me to say we want to host him. You know, there's a lot of blessings that are going to come. Mami, you've got such a you are so blessed. Umtanako has a talent, you know, even with the situation, agna poverty that must define your future. When you are the one that is going to change this family, you are the one, I'm telling you, I'm raised by my grandmother, you know, I'm raised by my single mother. I'm raised from the farms. I know how it feels, even not to have ukudla, but poverty can never define your future. This is only the beginning. Till now we want to say, with the little that we are bringing,
wala bafethu mushefane lo mushefi Phiri no bafethu mushefane ubuyile ulendile endlini bafethu so yeah I've been told ukuthi ngidinga ama details now ama details wecut lami but usiswami uzokhuluma ke manje
Samran guys ngikhuluma no Lentsha Mokwena guys since ngicomplainile nithi ngifuna ukubona umshefana phethe icut lakhe nali cut lakhe nama details angazi naye bekalikhwayapi okay nali guys icut like leli nalama details yiwo lawa alapha kulesithombe singabonga ama donation aseza thank you
okay Sanmanani siphethe umshefa nombali from a reliable home bazolethela umshefane into zakhe abantu abathembekile guys
so okay guys that was just the start. We brought a headboard and we are going to do more things that I can promise now is that we've noticed you have a daughter, so we're going to bring a chest of drawer for your daughter, and when your business is starting I'm going to help you with registering your business, get you legit, and I'm also going to support you to get funding to get to a level that I'm at. Those are promises I'm going to make. And then we're also going to bring you a couch for your business, just like when you're washing or when clients are sitting and waiting. We're also going to get that because we do have one retail couch that works for small businesses. So yeah, those are the things that we are promising as Reliable Renders Home Decor and Bali and Team Shefane. The beginning is now.
Shefi Nation.
All right.
Yeah,
okay yeah ima ngicheke kahle la because vele
uzunga delungeke wena tu
all right ima ngicheke ke
Yes. Kufanele bobani abapayile? I'm sure ufuna ukutshela nge-transport.
ngase taxi rank.
Hi guys. Today sivakashelwe abakamasipala. Speaker. Okay? Ini.
Usho live. Yeah. How accurate is it? It can lead you to my house, but in your language.
Oh, sorry, Pati.
Oh.
Oh, Maran so very too. Yeah? Oh. Oh. Oh, angifuna ukuvela entweni eziso.
He's checking Rose Bank. Oh, that's why I moved.
Hey, network ayikho.
No, ngithumela ilocation. Yabona manje ngimthumeli. Yebo manjani? Yaphila ma. Jabula mina ma.
Njebani, uyafuna ukushutha nawe. You celebrate wena wena. Vela sikushute. Vela sikushute. Mza, ushuta nomphathi wami. RC member. Tom, suwasiduma kancane.
Yeah. So like me entering that house, like you could tell with my energy, with my swag, I was like, Intona yasimpumalanga ingenile, Witbank is on the map.
Yeah, man.
You understand? Yeah, man. So me, ukuthi ngithathe ikasi and put it on my shoulder to say, hey, I'm gonna be the guy to put the Witbank on the map. And trust me, it wasn't easy to keep such secrets to these lovely people, you understand?
Yeah.
But getting into that house, I knew with Witbank,
yeah,
definitely stand up.
So who was your favorite housemate, Lapaya?
Let me just say who is my favorite housemate. Because I think I still love the person. I actually made a little brother in the house, the Don.
The Don, yeah. He's still trendy, yeah.
You understand? So like that's my little brother. I love that boy to bits. I love that guy with everything in me, and me and him are still gonna do a lot of things together. You know,
yeah.
Love him and I'm rooting for him.
So Kabangutu Bano also win the season 6 with Big Brother.
It's still too early to tell, you know, because people will still show off like.
Yeah, but after hearing his story, Mshefane, it really touched me. On a human level, it really touched me. And the into Nkazangale Grootman Lely, he never went to Big Brother with the intention of telling us his story for Tolama PT votes. Iyo into abantu bebazo assume leyo. If he went there and told us his story live on television, abantu bebazo sekafuna simbhekele dala side. He tried to put his best foot forward and he was evicted. Unfortunately, there can only be one winner. But that does not mean out against Konugui. He breadwinner, unengosi, olebi, uzozama impilo yaphanta kuphela. Yibo abantu bokudonathelwa lapha. Yibo abantu esingabadonatela lapha. Sesiphonsile thina esivivaneni lapha kuMshefane ku-account yaMshefane mhlasimbe nawe ungaphonsa esivivaneni. No one is compelled. By the way, hopefully iminyango ivuleke for ubafo izinto ikha.
I know that we are all currently going through a difficult time, and I'm not one to like ask for like donations for Big Brother fans, but because I know we are all going through a difficult time right now. If you can, please donate from Mshefane. If you can, if you can't, you can just share it for awareness. But if you can, the little you have, can we just try? I know that we all fight and we always have these crazy opinions and we talk, but like at the end of the day, the housemates are people, and putting themselves out there is not easy. So many hard things are happening right now in our country. You know, like, and we're going through a lot of poverty. People are going through a lot of poverty, and I hate poverty because It just strips you of so much of your dignity. And can we if you can, please don't.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Serious sham guys, mundo ngebanda Mshefane abam evictile lapha ku Big Brother Mzansi season 6 last week kani ngemva kokuthi bamkhiphe mase bamkhiphile abantu bathule ngade Dawn makakhuluma laphana atshela I think beyakhuluma na big sister la bekamtshela khona ukuthi uvabuhlungu Mshefane because Mshefane wamxoxela story sakhe ukuthi namanje nje yala ku Big Brother ucabanga ukuthi batali bakhe makwakhe nemntwana wakhe balala bangakadlanga wamxoxela nje wakhuluma Dawn ngokuthi story saMshefane sibhlungu kakhulu waze wakhala guys balabaningi that when they decided ukuthi abamdonate man kuMshefane bamdonate abantu guys khaya kubo nje Witbank kuhlezi ngena ama donations amagroza amapampers bedding guys bantu abaningi they are showing support kuye Mshefane sama bamfakela ngisho imali guys yabona this is ubuntu masikhuluma ngokuthi kune spirit of ubuntu sikhuluma ngaloku laba kwendela Mshefane kuhle kakhulu guys lolaba mendela kona abantu ngisho naye bekangaqapha ngokuthi maseka hambile ku Big Brother Mzansi to receive uthando lelingaka from South Africans. This is really beautiful to see and siyamjabulela kakhulu kuMshefane. Let's hope ukuthi satombona on our screens. This was only at the beginning. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.